person, anything becomes dearer or life changer only when we experience that it is for me also. It can act for me, for my personal sorrow, it can remove. Common language they say that he has a personal touch or it has a personal touch. If Bhagavan does not have a personal touch, then we cannot come close to him. Personal touch means that someone who is able to go in my heart and without telling find out what I may need. And after that, he may find necessary something which is I am lacking, he gives to me. Who, in other words, makes me feel that I am his also. Anyone who makes you feel that he is yours also, by being available, by being lovable, that is the personal touch of that person. And the glory of Saguna Sakar Ishwar is, he makes us feel this. Therefore about Bhagavan Ram it is written, Sakal munin ke ashraman hi jai jai sukh din. Bhagavan Ram knew that these rishis are wanting that I should come to them, and he went. Not very easy to recognize. Sometimes we fail to appreciate that. We are unable to see that. But Bhagavan alone has that. Your Bhagavan is special for you. And as he treats you, he doesn't treat anybody else. Everybody, when he meditates on God, although God is one, but he appears as the particular bhav and need of a person. And this is what makes him personal for me. If you have noticed, when you are confused, and if you just sit in front of Lord, he will come as a advisor in your life. He will come as a teacher in your life. If you are very sad and you have lost something or someone, and you go and sit in front of your Lord, he will come as a consoler. He consoles also. If you sometimes become very arrogant and you sit in front of the Lord, he will come as a reprimander also. If supposing I am very, very lonely, sometimes it may happen that I am lonely, nobody is there with me. And I remember my Lord, he comes to give me company also. If you are stuck in some Vedantic problem and you are not clear about a principle and you sit, he will come as a teacher also. For Arjun, Bhagavan Krishna was not only his friend, but he was protector, he was teacher, he was lover, and many more. Therefore Arjun had to say, Yacha, I considered you as Sakha, Asat Kratosi, Yachavasa Asa Sakha. Sometimes I laughed with you. Sometimes I told you that you are a liar also. It is the Ishwara's ability to fill me at a respective time that makes him personal. And there can be no one who can be as personal as the God, because people cannot really fathom out what is your problem. Even if you love someone and you go in front of that person, he won't know really what is troubling you. Even if he knows, he may not be able to remove your problem also. Everybody has his own limitations. And more if anybody can play this role, more anybody can gauge that this is what you may need. Acha, dhyan dena. If I have offered myself to God, then He appears. If I have not offered, then He won't appear. I am sad and I went to Lord and I said, see, I am very sad today, Bhagavan. I just don't know what to do. This issue is troubling me. Then you will you alone are my, what shall I do? Then He will express something which will take your sadness away. If I am myself reserving the flow of God in my life, then He won't come. But when I myself, I go, I know what I need, He knows that. And I don't know how to get that which I need. Sometimes some people say, I'm sorry, but I don't know what is making me sad also. Some people say, I'm quite scared, I don't know what I'm scared about. Various kinds of people comes. There is a big model. But various times you will find in life that you need a different kind of suggestion today. Sometimes we need to be scolded also. Whether I am young or old, we need some kind of tongue lashing. And I am so elderly that nobody scolds me also. Or nobody is around me to say something. I need some sound scolding today. That alone Ishwar can give. Sometimes I need to be loved. Sometimes I feel that I need the love today. I feel that what I need, I have lost something. He alone can give. This is His Sagun Sakar form in my heart. Sometimes I need to be praised also. Some people have that demand. Why don't you ask to Ishwar praise me? When He can praise monkeys and He can praise Jamvant and others, He can praise me also. I am asking one thing, whatever you desire from others, why not make it one place only? Why have 1,000 places where I am going to fulfill my ambition, my desire? I have obstructed His entrance in my life. Ishwar is, I'm unusing His presence. I am thirsty, but I don't know how to tap the water. I'm very thirsty, but I just don't know that the shower which is around, how I can tap and take it for myself. That is the work here of Sagun Sakar Ishwar. Sometimes I feel, I should cook for someone and somebody should eat. I have gone to places where the person said, I have no one to feed also. ऐसा भी हुआ. He said, I wish I could cook and I should give food to someone, but I have no one who can eat also. I said, I am there. And if you have this persistent desire, why don't you offer it to the Lord? Why? You don't be so shy, you don't think. We have lot of emotions and we want various people to satisfy those emotions. Every emotion cannot be satisfied by every person. But Lord can satisfy those emotions and fill me with Himself. And therefore it is written, Jai Jai Sukh Din. He went from place to place, place to place. If you want attention, why don't you ask Lord, give me attention? Let us see what it is. If you want that somebody should ask me, how are you? I will ask Lord, why don't you ask me? Dial only one number. And that number is 0. 0 means when I make my heart 0 from my own ahankar, then line is connected automatically. But we are dialing those numbers which are either engaged or dead or no longer existing. It says, no, this number is no longer in the service. Or I go to you expecting something, but you are already busy. The world is a typical place. I went to Allahabad, I had a small children's camp. So children's camp was there. So one girl, 6th class girl came after the camp and she brought a very big chart. And in that chart, she wrote, Swamiji, I love you. And so went for 10 lines. So much. Understood? No? I didn't know earlier that these things also is done. So I took the chart, but what can I do? So fortunately, next year again my camp was there in the same school. So when I went, I thought, where is that girl which, wrote that chart? If she knows I am here, she will be happy to see me. I will also be happy to see her. So I called her. So when she came, I said, you remember that you gave me chart? She said, yes, I remember that. I said, are you joining the camp? She said, no, I'm going out. Sorry, Swamiji, I'm going out. Thank you. And she disappeared. It's not her fault. Various people come in our life. Why everybody has their own engagement, own commitments. Who will be for you and with you for a long time? They are engaged with their own prarabdha. Do you think you are living with me because you want to live with me? No. Or I am living with you because I want to live with you. Because your prarabdha is there, therefore you are here. After that, you will leave me in no time. Why? Airport at the most you will go. You can't go beyond the security check. At least here they enter into the airport. In India, you can't enter into any airport inside. Security check to bahut dur ho gaya. You can't really enter. Lot of checkings are there. After that, you will say bye. I'll also say bye. Hi, bye. उसके बाद कुछ खाए. Time is over. यहाँ पे तो ऐसे ही है. Whom will you go for everything? आपकी हमारी इच्छा ईश्वर की, nobody other than God can really come and help me out. Sometimes we need some kind of help, emotional help, financial help, maybe some kind of intellectual help. अभी आएगा this topic. We have to realize that our life will always have some kind of big gaps and what is called blanks and dots here and there, unless somewhere we try to bring Lord for all our needs. Not only for 1-2 needs. When something is very urgent and we go there, then we try to bring God. And then we think God will come here. This conviction should grow. For all my need. Even if I have to do puja, I will take support of God that His puja only He can make me do properly. Even if I have to do jap, His jap only He can make me do properly. Even if I am going to sleep, I will take support of Lord that may I sleep well for you. Even if I am going for supposing talking to someone on certain issue, I will seek Lord's grace that please may I talk something which is proper. As many area He pervades, and you see the fruit of His provision and how He comes to express to that area. To that extent, He will become His devotee and will be free from that area. It is not a concerning area. Some things are concerning, some things are worrying. Let it not be worrying area. Only how to do it, we will see now how to do it. Yesterday you heard Bhagwan Ram went to Sutikshna ji's ashram. Muni agast kar seshya sujana naam sutichan rati bhagwana मन क्रम बचन राम पद सेवक सपन हूँ आन भरोस न देवक प्रभु आगवनु श्रवण सुनि पावा सकरत मनोरथ आतुर धावा हे विधि दीन बंधु रघुराया मोसे सठ पर कर वही दाया सहित अनुज मोहि राम गोसाई मिलहि निज सेवक की नाही. Let us see that. About Sutikshna ji you heard yesterday little. Beautiful introduction. Although Agastji had many disciples, but his name is why? Rati Bhagwana. He used to revel in God. Revel in God means what? Revel in God means to make myself convinced that when I remember there is some kind of fulfillment, some kind of as if what is it called? Fountain has come out. If you love someone and you remember, you are very happy about that. Similarly, when I love the Lord, I remember the Lord, and I have a lot of happiness, I said, वाह, राम कहने का मजा जिसकी ज़बां पे आ गया, मुक्त जीवन हो गया, चारों पदारथ पा गया. क्या है? राम नाम लड्डू, गोपाल नाम घी, कृष्ण नाम मिश्री, तू घोल घोल पी. अब I can't translate it. It is difficult to translate. कैसे करें भाई? लड्डू का क्या इंग्लिश है? देखो, what is the introduction? मन क्रम बचन राम पद सेवक. ध्यान देना. Everybody is working at many times, and when he works, he has something in the mind, something he wants to do. Supposing I am working, in my heart it may be there, let me earn money so that I can give and do something for my family. Is it possible you work and there is no one in your mind? Or at least I will be happy. Chalo bhai. At least my sense organs will be, even if I go out for some kind of eating something, then also in my mind I'll be happy after me. Somebody has to be there in the mind when we are working. It is not possible that you work and there is no one in your mind. When mother is cooking, she is in the mind that son will come, daughter will come, whole family will eat today. Today we will all sit together. Acha? I am going for outing today. We are going for South Coast, North Coast. East Coast nahi hai. East Coast nahi. So North Coast I am going, or South Coast. In Singapore, East Coast was there. Huh? It is there here. Oh, Durban. What is the coast also? Acha, that's good. So, but that one was 5 minutes walk from my place where I used to stay in Singapore. So many times I used to just go out and walk on the sea beach. It was East Coast. And when you are walking also, and when you are exercising also, in your mind there is something, let my weight loose. And maybe 2 days, 3 days exercise, they go and see the weight also. They don't know that from the ocean drop will go, it won't make any difference. It takes 1-2 months to see the result. Even when you are here and listening, in your mind there is there, I am listening, maybe I'll get more devotion, more peace, some light, enlightenment may be there. I will release my tension of various sorts, some devotion may be there. I get peace of mind. I mean, you are acting and it is not possible that there is no one in your mind. Sometimes you are very conscious for whom I am acting. Sometimes you are not very conscious. It may be ahankar, it may be vasana. For some of my vasana I am acting. Even if I am angry also, that also may be for some valid or invalid reason, the anger may be there. And what happens when I act for something small? What happens? That action doesn't get over. It keeps on going on to give me some kind of, either I'll expect, either the worry will come, either there will be some kind of resentment, either the way you have acted was not perfect, or somebody didn't receive that work. So many things can happen when you act for a person. Only I did so much for that person, but see, and many times in life, you may have this frustration that I did so much for that person and this person, and see, he didn't understand me, he didn't give me what I required, he didn't understand that I am working so much. Rarely there would be any mother or father who this thought has not crossed, that I have done so much for my son or daughter and she is so useless or he is useless. Or he doesn't understand this mind. Or today I am having a fever and still he has not asked me how are you, he doesn't know how much I have done. Our big area of frustration is that I did a lot. It may be for your factory and office, it may be there. In the office sometimes people do lot of work. They will work for 10 hours, 9 hours, overtime without getting any money for overtime. And they give, but supposing nobody understands that, nobody recognizes that, supposing boss doesn't understand, he doesn't understand my noble intentions. I tell you, in life, very, very few people will be there who really understand that you have worked really for something good. As far as number of people, they won't know also how much you have worked on various issues. Even if you have worked for someone, very few will be able to even fathom that you had really worked hard on this. He will not know it properly. You agree or you don't agree? It is not possible that if anybody can totally, if you are working, if you are not working, no question of appreciation. But if at all you are working, very few, 1, 2 in the whole life can even understand how much you had worked if you have worked a lot. If you have sacrificed a lot. Whether it is your professional life or whether how much you worked for family or how much you worked for your son or how much you worked for your father, mother, whosoever you have worked for. And when I see that I have done so much, I have given so much, but I didn't get as from that person, from this person, mind somewhere becomes irritated and bitter. Ultimately, action has come to make me impure, in short. Action has made me more irritated person. Before working for you, I was happier. After working for you, I am more disturbed. Now somebody gave me shawl or something like that. So fine, he gave me shawl. Every day that person asks, well, that shawl which I gave, are you using it? Yesterday I put on. No, but why not today? No, today is not that cold. No, you always keep it here. If at all it is cold, you don't know when breezes will start. Okay, third day again. Swamiji, what happened to that, particular, the color didn't like. No, I like that color. So why don't you put it on? Then I had to tell, see, before giving the shawl, you were more happier with me. After giving the shawl, you are more frustrated from me. It was better if you had not given it. Because with the shawl, your mamta also has come on me. Your expectation also had come on me. So it was better if you had not given. I am giving a very small example. We can multiply it in our life. Our actions are not lost. It is coming back to boomerang and to hit us. It is not over there. And only way to get out of this is, when I work, let me have one image in my heart, that I am working not for one person, not for one institution. I am working to express my gratitude to the one who has given me everything. My work is a kritagyata gyapan, is a gratitude giving ceremony. Sometimes some big officer goes in a transfer order. It's a very senior person. So everybody in the office comes and offers his gratitude. That Mr. Such and Such, we are grateful to him. It is my gratitude giving occasion to the Lord, therefore I am working. So when I work for the Lord, in my heart, there would be no expectation, because I am not doing to get something, I am going to express something. Work should not become my news. Okay, you did not understand your... And I tell you, in due time, maybe X person for whom you worked, he didn't understand your work. As I told you, very few will understand. In the system, some ABC person will come up for whom you have never worked, and he will work for you. I have heard parents said, I served my parents so much, but I don't know why my son doesn't serve me at all. But they only said, well, my son, no doubt he doesn't serve, but I have got another person who is not related to me at all, who has no blood relation to me. He serves me more than my son. So I said, then you got it. Why you were hurriedly coming to the conclusion then? We do quite a strong business. We want quick results. मन क्रम बचन राम पद सेवक. So what is in my heart? भगवान, you have given me. देखो एक बात ध्यान देना. You cannot love anybody unless you have a feeling of fulfillment for that, from that. Unless you have a very strong notion that I have got a lot, I have got a lot. You cannot open your heart and it is full by someone's work in your life. We have to realize there has been someone who has changed my life. There be someone who has given me more than I can ever would have expected. Somebody has cared me more than I was worth caring. Somebody has honored me more than what I was worth honoring. This experience you don't have. When I was very small, everybody in my house used to say, see, you score high, you should go for very big examination. You should become Secretary of India, this, that, IAS, this, that, you should become like that. It was their dream for me, which was ever unfulfilled. And I went out from the Brahmachari, it was in 1997, 96. And I went to Bhopal, place called Bhopal is there. There somebody organized. You won't believe, God's Mahima. I was as young as 25, 26. Don't calculate my age now. So कर लिया क्या? And very, you won't believe, senior officer used to come in my talk. And when they heard my talk, and it was a very small talk, small gathering was there. Who will organize any big talk for? We are very small at that time. Secretary of India, Chief Secretary of Madhya Pradesh, they used to come. I still remember Sharma ji was there. They used to bow down on me. I told them, I said, see, I don't deserve, I'm too young, I'm like your son only. I mean, unless you have realized this, that I have got more honor, more reward, more care, more love, more money, feeling of fulfillment, unless it has overpowered me, you don't feel like giving. Love is a natural expression of a person who has received a lot, who has the sense of receiving a lot. Agast ji's disciple is there. He must have lived with Agast ji, Sutikshna. And after living, he must have got the grace of Agast ji. Agast ji was a great rishi. I told about him also. Agast ji was one of the greatest rishi. And being his disciple, being in his company, being with him, so much knowledge, he must have already got so much of devotion from him. And today, if he is thinking, let me do everything for Lord, it is a natural phenomenon. You don't have to force yourself to love someone where you have a strong sense that this Bhagwan only has filled my life with a smile. Even when there was a cause of crying and cause of sorrow, he did some things that I couldn't cry for a longer time. He made me smile. Even when I was committing mistake, he did something so that I was saved from making mistake. Even if I committed mistake, he was the one who forgave me also. Unless that experience trickles down in yourself, this line won't be for you. Man krama bachan ram pad sevak. With the mind, with the speech, and with the action. ये नहीं कि I am just serving. Or if you work for someone, you will be frustrated. I am guaranteeing you. Even if you work for your son, daughter, you will be frustrated because you will not get a response after some time. If anybody has son, he will understand. Son, etc., they don't respond. Like sometimes you go in the internet, it is not connected. Sometimes they are unconnected totally. You will be there, but there is no connection. You say, how are you? No answer. No proper response. This world is like that. Lot of gaps are there. Then you feel, see, I always talk, but why don't you talk to me when I ask you, how are you? Why don't you answer, how are you? I'm not asking you anything to give me. I'm just asking, how are you? And you are howling. ऐसे ही है. But somewhere you will get लगातार response. That is called मन क्रम वचन राम पद सेवक. सपने हूँ आन भरोस न देवक. In the dream also, he didn't have any kind of support from someone. अच्छा एक बात बताओ. I live in your house. You have given me a room. You have given me nice, best room. Or you have given me nice tea. Or you prepare food for me. You give me clothes also. You have given me maybe car also. We use this car. It so happened in the evening, 4 o'clock you gave me tea, but 6 o'clock again I wanted a tea. It's possible, bhai. Nothing wrong in wanting tea. In India they take 10-20 cups of tea per day. And it is called cut. That tea has a जैसे समुद्र सदृश नाम और नामी है. Sir, this is the name called cut. I wanted a tea at 6 o'clock. I called the neighbor. I called neighbor. Well, what happened? Well, can you give me half cup of tea? And supposing you observe this and you saw somebody is bringing tea from the neighbor's house to Swamiji's room. Supposing. And then you will ask, hey, hello, what are you taking from Swamiji's room? Well, tea. Well, why? Well, he only called me and asked me to give tea. But I was there till 5 o'clock. He could have just, given me one call. How will you feel? How will you feel? You will feel hurt. And next time when you will come to me, you will say, Swamiji, you could have asked me the tea. Why did you ask him? I am closer to the neighbor. Maybe you will forget. Chalo, never mind, Swamiji, once in a while he must have. Once in a while it happened. Everybody's mind goes here and there. Now, after again second day, what happened? I wanted, a particular kind of shampoo. Or oil, hair oil. Again I called another neighbor. Again you saw he's coming with the, shampoo and conditioner also. And you saw what you will think about me. After that, your desire to serve me and give me will be less or more. You tell me. Your desire to give me will become lesser. Earlier you were very worried what he needs. Just check the washroom. Is soap kept there? Is the hand wash kept there? Is the shampoo kept there? Is the clothes ready? 3-4 times if you see, your mind will be slightly put off. You will feel, anyway, when he will find the way out, let him find the way out. And then you will go to your husband or wife, whosoever is there. You will say, see, Swamiji, went out and he asked that person. Yesterday he called the neighbor Xavier. And today, Ramlal, so he asked Ramlal to come here. We were all sitting here. Rather, I purchased the shampoo. Everything I purchased 5 extra. Seeing his hair. And everything. I brought so much in quantity. But why he has to ask everybody? We are sitting there down here and everything I am taking. I only give him morning tea. I only give him, the room. I only give the car. Imagine God who has given you parent, who has given you body. Many things, most of the thing what you have got was unasked from the God. And then we do his bhajan also. When we claim we are your devotee also. More das kahai nar asa, ki kau kaha kaha viswasa. I do your bhajan and I ask someone else. How much God me feeling? If your wife expects from somebody else's husband that he should give me sari, how will husband feel? Our husband feels that person's wife should make halwa for me, not mine one. How will the wife feel? Or supposing I am the son, this must be happening, and your father goes to somebody else's son to drop him to the airport, and you take care, and you discover that he is asking somebody else's son to drop him to the airport, and he didn't ask me directly. He could have asked me. I could have dropped there. Some fathers are there, do lot of natak. They could have straight away asked me, go drop me to the airport. Then how do you feel? For every sukh dukh, I was there all the time. In hospital I have to take, I will take to the hospital. And for dropping airport, he asked him as if we are not existing. I am asking you, you know why Bhagwan is not for me? Because I am not for him. I don't depend on him. Devotee doesn't bother, bole, even if I don't get, let it not get, but I won't expect from anybody. Sapne hu aan bharos na devak. नहीं होगा, let God do it, let not God not do it. Let God give me money. If he wants to make me poor, let him make me poor. It is better to live with my husband who is making me poor, he doesn't give me, rather than live with somebody else's husband who is making me rich. When he is there for every day and night, why should I go somewhere else? Okay. And when bharosa is there, then you think about that. Whom you depend, you definitely think. Let me see what Lord does to me now. And then he thinks. Therefore, you know what is the glory of sannyasi? Slowly they take all support. Take away all support. So they live somewhere where nobody knows. Now when nobody knows, then they know that let me see how God comes to me today. Because when everybody knows, then you are in quite a good system, then you get this, all that also. But when they go somewhere when nobody knows, they get their shelter, they get their food. Then they have this Vishwas that Lord alone is for me. And I'll tell you one thing. When the time comes, you must have observed who was with you. So many uncle, auntie, everybody must have attended 1,000 marriages till you are living. 500 to 1,000. Every year, at least 10 marriages. Arey, you are so silent as if I attend. Minimum 10 to 20 marriages. Minimum bata rahe hain. Minimum, I am taking even lower number. 10, 20 marriages in 30, 40 years. Is it not 1,000 marriages we attend? मिला क्या आपको? Who came to help you? Who came to give you money? Who gave you devotion? Who gave you honor? They must have taken away your own quietness. कोई करता है क्या अपने लिए? Somebody is for you or what? When your mind is disturbed, where you go? When you are reprimanded in your office, where you go? When you are having the headache, and who comes to help you out? When you go to the doctor, who comes to you? 1,000 places we spread our hands and we get nothing. And therefore, with this heart full of love and support of the Lord, Prabhu agavan shravan suni pava karat manorath आतुर धावा। हे विधि दीन बंधु रघुराया, मोह से 60 पर करियहि दाया। सहित अनुज मोहि राम गोसाई, मिलियहि निज सेवक की नाहि। When he heard Lord is coming, then he started thinking, who? Sutikshna ji. Karat Manorat, he ran from here to there. How will he meet me? Supposing he comes first, I will do prostration. But supposing I prostrate and he sings somewhere else. So first, should I prostrate to Sita ji or Ram ji? Or one prostration shall I be for everybody? Or when I will see him, first let me see his feet, or should I see his hair? Or should I get my eyes will be stuck with his eyes? He will smile while seeing me or he won't smile. He manorat ho raha hai. And then he thinks, Are, he is compassionate incarnate. How will a person, Moses sat par karahi daya, such a wretched person like me, will he ever have compassion on me also? And that too along with Sita ji and Lakshman ji, he will meet me like his servant. I don't think so. My record is not okay. Then mind said, nobody's record is okay. But still he doesn't see the record. Bhagwan doesn't love by seeing the record. It is not a promotion. It is compassion. And then he said, More jiye bharos drana. Dekho, deenta dekho. Neither I have bhakti, neither I have dispassion, neither I have gyan. Let us read this till future. I will read, not complete, half of that. Muni agast kar sishya sujana. Please. Muni agast kar sishya sujana.
नाम सुधी चल रति भगवाना।
मन कम बचन राम पद सेवक।
सपने हुआन भरोस न देवक।
प्रभु आगमन श्रवण सुनि पावा। करत मनोरथ आतुर भावा। हे निधि दीन बंधु रघुराया। मोह से 60 पर करियहि दाया। सहित अनुज मोहि राम गोसाई। मिलियहि निज सेवक की नाहि। मोरे जिय भरोस दृढ़। भगति विरति न ज्ञान मन माहि। नहीं सत्संग जो भजन भागा। नहीं दृढ़ चरण कमल अनुरागा। एक बानी करुणा निधान की। सुप्रिय जाके गति न आन की। होई नहीं सुफल आज मनोलोचन। देखि बदन पंकज। अरे भाई होई नहीं सुफल आज मनोलोचन। देखि बदन पंकज मनमोचन। He is thinking now. See, deen bhav is very much required. One who thinks, I have done so much, I am so big, already I have practiced such things. How much? He is over remembering his own self. I am so pure, I am so devoted to Lord, I am so, cultured. Arey bhaiya, when you yourself have so much of sense of importance, how can the Lord become important? When Shobhan Buddhi is on me, Mahat Buddhi on me, how can Lord become very important and beautiful for us? How can he be there? No, deenta is, अरे हमको तो कुछ आते ही नहीं. And really, it is not for saying, but really we are not doing that. You know, most of us may be chanting Hanuman Chalisa or Jap or Puja. I ask you, of that total 1 hour, how much intensity is there? Those who do part, etc., there are 2 lines. One line is on the part, other lies in quite interesting scene is inside. On one end, जामवंत के बचन सुहाए सुनिए हनुमंत हृदय अति भाए तब लगी मोहि परिख. Well, everybody is eating now. जब लगी मोहि परिख हो तुम भाई. See, he is making sound. तब हनुमंत राम नाम. Again phone call has come. हनुमान दई बरसात अनुगुनी ने in between we yawn also. Some people fall down also. As if to Bhagwan he is saying complete rest. It happens, bhai. You are very tired. You are doing jap, mala has fallen down. Therefore jap mala is required. Why? Because when your mind won't be there, it will slip from your hand. Bhagwan must be thinking, see what he is remembering with such a low intensity. Is it somebody has called you in your house and he is looking cricket match? Or somebody has called you and he is talking to someone else. हम लोग तो कुछ भी नहीं किए होते हैं. We boast, but our sadhana etc. is very flimsy. Whatever we do is very hardly 1-2% mind is there. Whole day we don't remember. We remember 1,000 other things. What we do. And still, if we think I do Lord, I am very pure. What purity we are talking of? Nahi satsang jog na jap jaga. Nahi, देखो, they are saying who are great devotees. Nahi dhrana charan kamal anuraga. I don't have firm abidance in your feet. More jiye bharos dhrana nahi. Bhagati bhati na jnana man mahi. What my devotion is, what my dispassion is. Kuch bhi dispassion nahi. Little thing will happen, anger will come up. If you have put your shoes somewhere and you see your shoes are not there, you see the mind. Where you park your car every day, somebody else parks, then you see your mind. कुछ भी छोटा सा चाहिए. Our mind is so, लोग क्या है? Our devotion is all like, dewdrop on the lost leaf. Anytime it flies away. Dispassion, devotion, कुछ भी तो नहीं है ऐसा. So if you think because I am good, therefore Bhagwan should come, then it is impossibility. He should not come. कोई है नहीं ऐसा, दम अंदर नहीं है कोई ऐसा. Nothing very solid is in the person. देखो, it is not bad to not to know this, but to pretend something else and to think when I don't have, that is called the arrogance of a person. Why when I don't have, I accept I don't have. When I don't have and I pretend I have, that is my hypocrisy. But I am very good, Some people start praising themselves. अरे काहे को praise कर रहे हो भाई? चुप रहो. Praise God. How little we can do. How little we have done for anybody. Big work is going on. I have made that building. I have made that. Arey Bhagwan has made whole Gasmas. Not even one signature he has anywhere. Little painting we make and the bottom Rajesh. Worthless painting. Little thing we do, we start beating the drum about it. क्या इसमें दीनता है? And we are happy without somebody's deen also. Somebody does not make me feel he has done a lot, therefore he appears good to me. Howsoever good a person may be, howsoever big a person may be, if he makes me feel that he is doing a very big work, it doesn't appear good. About Newton, I told so many times at the end of his life, people congratulated him, you got so much laws. He went near the sea and picked a handful of sand. He said, this much sand, yes, this much are the laws I have discovered in compared to all the sand. This is the amount of sand. And this much only I have discovered. There are numberless laws. These are not known, it won't be known also. In any area. क्या हमारे में ऐसी कौन सी बात आ गई? What big about me? And therefore he is saying, with my effort, Lord won't be pleased. Please underline this. Ek bani karuna nidhan ki, so priya jaake gati na aan ki. You understood? Bani means swabhav. Well, I have no. Ek one swabhav Lord has. Very important. He is dear to him, for whom, other than whom nothing else he wants to know. One nature of Lord is he loves those who love him solely, ananyata. Well, where to go? I have no one to go. Where shall I take support from? Where I should go to ask anything, Bhagwan? कहाँ जाए मांगने? Where to go? I have no one. I have no support. Whom to go? Like a small child who has no one to see other than the mother. Bhagwan loves that. This was Arjun's annata when he didn't choose anything other than Lord Krishna. भगवान हमारे साथ हैं बस. I will not go anywhere. You want to make me poor, keep me poor. Make me rich, make me rich. Make me vidwan, make me foolish. I will not go anywhere. I am for you only. हम कहीं जाएंगे नहीं. जैसे भी हैं, good, bad, whatever I am, भगवान, I am for you. I have nowhere to go, neither I want to go. If you want to make me a dullard, make me dullard. If you want to make me intelligent, make me intelligent. If you want me to do anything, but I won't go to the world and ask anything. Even love I don't want from anybody. I want love from you only. If I see to anybody's face, I see your face, you give me love. If I will be angry, I'll be angry on you only. I'll be happy on you only. I have no one else, neither I want anybody else to support me. If you want I should die of hunger, I will die of hunger. I will not ask anybody to do anything. This should be the commitment of a seeker. And when Bhagwan sees he is not moving, then why not he will come to him? You know, when Uttara's Garbh, Ashwathama had shot the arrow, and everybody was standing there, Bhim, Arjun, and Bhagwan Krishna was taking his chariot to go. And she ran because her whole stomach was burning, because he had thrown Brahmastra, and Parikshit was inside the womb of Uttara. And she ran towards, and Bhagwan's chariot was Daruk was about to start. She said, Krishna, Krishna. Bhagwan said, wait. And she came running. Bole, Krishna, Krishna Mahabhaga, Tannatha Gogaha, Pahi Pahi Mahavaga. Bole, please protect me, please protect me. Mahayogin, you are Mahayogi. Please protect me. She didn't go to Arjun, she didn't go to Krishna, she couldn't go to Bhim, she didn't go to Yudhishthira, no one else even. Pahi Pahi Mahayogin, Dev Dev Jagatpate, Nanyam Tvat Abhayam Pashya Yatra Mrityu Parasparam. Bole, other than you, I don't see anybody else can protect me now. जैसा करना हो आप वैसा करिए. People may censor me, disrespect me, love me. I don't bother. I want love from you. That's it. Let me do anything. I will do anything to get love from you. I will do anything to serve you. हमें पता ही नहीं किसी को, as if nobody exists or not. For me, you are everyone. That bhav devotee, it doesn't come in one day. He makes it every day. He adds to this thought. And when Bhagwan sees, anybody knows, supposing you know without me he won't eat food. Tell me now, will you not be more caring for that person? You know that somebody is there, unless you eat, he has not eaten. You will eat even when you are not hungry also, just because he should eat. It is natural for us. Because this was in Sutikshnaji, not because Sutikshnaji said, I am very, very qualified, although he was. Why will Bhagwan come? But we depend on our ahankar. Who doesn't depend? We have 1,000 places, we depend on money. Without dependence, you can't live. We have ahankar, we have vasana, we have talents, we have this, we have that. 1,000 things we have. And everywhere we see if this will happen, that will happen. Bhagwan also feels okay. I'm a crutch, Bhagwan, for him. He doesn't want me completely. He wants very partial of me. Only a certain time he needs me. At a certain place he needs me. He doesn't want me completely. He has other options available. And moment those options are there, he will definitely forget me also. He will, ठीक है. Are to get the Lord? How is it he won't love if we just say, Bhagwan, other than you, I don't want anybody. I don't bother whether I live or I die. I will not seek support. You are my only love. You are my only option. I have closed, I have walked and burned the bridge where I have walked. I have no place to return now. I don't know where I will go. I don't know what I will eat. I don't know what clothes I will put on. I don't know who will be living with. But I have only one thing. My love should increase with you. Whatever you do, I will agree to it. I have no relationship with anybody in this world other than Bhagwan. And if anybody else I have a relationship, it is only because I want to please you through that relation. Independent relation I don't have. This is the bhav of a bhakt. Not that he is a fragmented mind, divided love. Divided love, these people don't love anybody. Thrown away mind, one day here, one day there. One day Chacha ji, other day Mama ji, third day Nana ji. ये love थोड़ी ना है कोई. I have you only. One person came to Swami Akhandanand ji. He said, Maharaj ji, my business is totally drowning. He asked, how much rupees you have? Honestly tell me. In 50s. He said, 6 lakhs. It was a big amount. He said, can you bring it here? He said, yes. You are my guru, why not? He brought all the money. He said, do one thing. Give this whole money to that institution. This money, give to that institution. He said, after this I will have no fees, after I have no milk in my house, no vegetable in my house. But you are saying I'll give. He gave it. He said, go back home now. He said, I have no project, no business, no, but it will help because all the family members have already taken money. He said, just go back home. And now, do one thing. Do your jap now. And do puja today. And keep on doing your puja. You get up only to eat. And only for bathing. Just continue your jap and puja. Don't get up. Only when you feel like eating, etc., then you get up. Otherwise, just shut yourself in a puja room. and put a mat there and sleep there. When you are too tired, then you sleep there. Hare Maharaj, अब you can imagine he's an Ananyata. And he told nobody, please give me 3-4 days. And he went there, he continued that. Automatically, project came, business came, money came. Because only prayer was, Bhagwan, now there is no one other than you. हम क्या करें अब? क्या करें हम? What shall I do now? What answer shall I have? School will be saying, take away the child now. Now wife will be saying, groceries are over. I have no petrol also. I have nothing is there. Bhagwan, oh Bhagwan, oh Bhagwan. That intensity that came after he dropped everything was not when he was holding too many things. He again flourished in short. I belong to you totally. Bhagwan wants to hear this from me. Bhagwan not only wants to hear, he wants to see, हम आपके पूरी तरह हैं. I am for you all the time, 100% in all ways, all time. I don't belong to anything in this world. I don't belong to any vasana of mine. When Bhagwan sees this, he is very happy. Very pleased Bhagwan became with Sudikshna ji. And he thought, aha, today I have had a darshan of Lord. Hui hai supal, aaju mamalochana, dekhi badan, pankaj bhavamochan. Today I will see his beautiful face. Vedas are chanting about his face. Saints are singing the glories of his face. Which face? Nava kanja lochana kanja mukha kar kanja pad kanjarunam. That face. And you know what happened to him? Nirbhar prem magan muni jnani kahi na jai so dasa bhavani. Shivji is telling to Parvati ji. He forgot himself. And he started walking and searching. Kidhar se aa rahe, kudhar se aa rahe. Disi aru bidisi panth nahi sujha. Vidisi means intermittent direction. Northeast, aesthetic direction. He went there. Somebody said, Arey, what is there? Bole, I am searching for Bhagwan. Bole, that side you go. He went. Bole, what are you doing? Bole, I am searching for Bhagwan. Bole, go straight. So he went zigzag here and there. Kabahu kaphiri pache pun jai. Sometimes he went ahead with a pace. Sometimes somebody said, go back. So he went back. Somebody said, go left. He went left. Kabahu ka nritya karai gun gai. Sometimes he had a dhoti, you know. He has a langot and dhoti, angvastra. He lifted and he dances like that. He dances like that. Today I will see Ram. Today I will see Ram. Today I will see Ram. Jan, jan. People say, what happened? Well, today I will see Ram. My Lord is coming. Imagine yourself. Supposing you know your Shivji is coming, your Krishnaji is coming today, how much you will be happy. Even your son who lives somewhere in Durban only, he comes, you are happy. And every day who does anything for you. Your daughter who has troubled you, still when she comes, you are very happy. What to say of that Lord, one who have been waiting since many births. So he was moving here. And Bhagwan Ram came from a distance. Aviral prem bhagati muni pai, Prabhu dekhe taru ot lukai. Bhagwan Ram is also very clear. When he came, he said, Lakshman, don't go ahead. Let us see what he does. So Bhagwan Ram hid behind a tree. This is all Krishnaji's department. He is expert in all this. But Bhagwan Ram had hidden behind a tree. And there he said, he is dancing, sometimes he is crying. You know, Kvachid hasati, Kvachid rudati, Kvachid rauti. Prahlad ji is. Sometimes he is shouting, sometimes running. sometimes lying down, sometimes crying badly. कभी ऐसे रो रहे हैं फूट फूट. Sometimes you will come today, you will come today. And when Bhagwan was seeing from behind the tree, Bhagwan said, let me manifest in his heart. Atisay preeti dekhi raghubira pragate hridaya haranu bhavabhira. Bhagwan manifested in his Lord. He sat quietly. He closed his eyes. And he felt Lord he forgot that he has to come from outside. He totally got mesmerized. And if you do meditation on Saguna Sagar, these states come, you forget you are meditating. Lord does manifest in the heart. He will play also. He will see also. And all his hair stood at the ends like the jackfruit, sharp pointers and the jackfruit. Muni magmaj achal hui baisa pulak sarir panas pal jaisa. Ramji said, Lakshman, let us go close to him. All three came close to him. Who? Sutikshni. And when they went close to him, he still was meditating. He was totally tearing, at the same time meditating on Lord Ram. Bhagwan Ram was very happy. See how much he is in me, absorbed. Ramji said, Sutikshna, 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 I have come for you. He was absorbed. Inside he saw hands of God, fingers of Lord, beautiful nails, beautiful hairs, nice eyebrows. And he is for me. Bhagwan Ram said, Sutikshna. What is one? Buni Ram bahu bhati jagava jagna dhyan janit sukh pava. You know what Bhagwan Ram did? He took away that form. He took away that form. Which form? Vanvasi Ram he was fond of. And he put Raja Ram there. Bhoop. And moment Bhoop, and that too four arms. And this Sutikshna did like that. Those who are Ananya, they want that form only. Again he want. Then he heard Sutikshna. And he saw Muniya kulai utha tab kaise bikalheen mani phani bar jaise. He jumped from his seat as if the jewel of the snake has been taken out. Aage dekhi Ram tan syama Sita anuj sahit sukh dhama Paraulakuti iva charanani lagi Prem magan muni barbad bhagi. He saw Bhagwan Ram is standing there. Time stops sometimes. With a smiling face. Sutikshna, so many years you waited. You promised to your Guru. In heart he talked. That you will bring me. I am pleased to see your Nishtha, Sutikshna. For a moment he forgot. He got up, he forgot. His form was quite, very thin form. Thin form with hardly loincloths, long hairs, chandan on the forehead, this Sutikshna. And Bhagwan Ram, blue color is there. Soft hands are there. beautiful face is there. He saw. He couldn't believe. He forgot to namaskar. Then all of a sudden he said, I didn't offer namaskar also. So he didn't offer namaskar. He just jumped and threw himself like a stick. And holding the feet, he started sobbing like a child. I have a face to show to my Guru also now. And then what Bhagwan Ram did? What did he do? Bhagwan Ram bent down. He said, Sutikshna. He held his arms. He lifted him. भुज विशाल गही लिए उठाई. Bhagwan Ram lifted like that. गए परम प्रीति राखे उर. And he embraced. Where Bhagwan Ram's beautiful blue colored, where this Rishi Muni thin like a skeleton kind of body, Bhagwan Ram embraced. As if golden tree has embraced some blue tree, because his color was like a gold. Sutikshna. And he embraced. Imagine that. How beautiful would be that sight. And here Lakshman ji and Sita ji both were seeing Bhagwan's glory and Bhakt's glory. This is the Swabhava of Bhagwan. Then he forgot. He said, Bhagwan, I have prepared. He said, I have to do stuti, etc. Then he started doing the stuti and he offered something. Let them be together. Ye bhakti ka phal hai. If we had, we scattered our love, our vishwas everywhere, all what we loved, if we have focused, we'll also be like that. Bhagwan wants to see me. You tell to him, I am for you only. In between, you talk and say, I breathe for you. I want to breathe for you. I want to